Whoa, 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 whoa! McLaren F1 right there, TDF, and a Heritage Sport GT. What in the world? Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, and welcome here to beautiful Monterey, California. Car week day one. We're here for 3 days, and then on Monday we drive back to Utah in the Supra, and then on Tuesday we fly off to Michigan, boys, to get the Hellcat Gladiator. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. And then we drive that back to Utah. However, yesterday, boys, your boy had a bit of a run-in with the law. It's really a story of inspiration and survival that I'm even here, that I'm breathing, that I'm living, that I'm vlogging, and that Burlacker didn't have to drive 9 hours to bail me out of a Nevada state prison because, well, yesterday, Nevada Highway Patrol was not happy with me. We're gonna flash back 4 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Winnemucca, Nevada, yesterday. Whoa, 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 whoa. It is still today. It is not yesterday. I first need to apologize. The footage is garbage. It was absolute chaos. I haven't quite figured out the ergonomics of the Supra. Deepest apologies. I'm sorry. The footage is awful yesterday. So I am being pulled over. I was on cruise control at 81 miles an hour. It's an 80.
Hello.
How's it going?
Good. I'm Trooper Sandoval, Nevada Highway Patrol.
Nice to meet you.
You don't have any plates on the vehicle.
I have a temporary tag on the back.
Yeah, but it's not an actual plate. Do you have any paperwork for that, or?
I do, yeah. Yeah.
How's it ride?
It's awesome. Yeah, it's been really fun.
I saw it when I was sitting in the meeting. I don't know if you saw me when I was sitting there.
I did, yeah.
I was pretty sure it was a Supra, so I wanted to check it out. So.
Yeah, it's like, I mean, it's one of the first ones on the West Coast.
Right, yeah.
You know, and I probably have the highest mileage one, because I have 4,143 miles.
Oh, really?
And I bought the car 8 days ago.
Did you drive it from New York to here?
Yeah, I did.
Oh,
Yeah,
really?
yeah.
How'd it handle?
It's awesome.
Let me go look this up real quick and I'll be right back, okay?
Okay, thank you. I just got pulled over because the dude wants to see the Supra. I guarantee you that's it. I have temporary registration on the car. I don't have a license plate, but like, I have registration. So, there's really no reason for this, but yeah, it's okay.
Did you have to drive all the way to New York, you said, to get this vehicle, or?
I mean, I didn't have to, but all the cars you're like pre-ordered or whatever.
Okay.
And there was a dealership in New York City, and the guy who ordered the car, his financing fell through.
Okay.
And so when the car was delivered, it was all of a sudden just available to buy. So I paid $10,000 over to get it.
Yeah.
But was able to get it quicker than pretty much anybody else.
And then waiting for it, yeah, because I'm like, I know they just unveiled them and stuff like that not that long ago. And
yeah, they're...
Have you ever driven a BMW?
Yes, I have.
I was like, the interior seems a lot like
So this is... That's what's funny. This car is actually built in Austria.
Okay.
And it's built on the same chassis as a BMW Z4.
Okay.
So this car is effectively a BMW Z4 with a Toyota body built by BMW engineers in Austria.
Yeah, and that's what I noticed with your VIN. I used to have a BMW, and the first numbers, it's the WB.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, so that's what I'm like, because I typically see that in BMW. So
right.
Then I'm looking at your shifter and the stereo and stuff like that, and it looks pretty similar like a BMW.
Yeah, so Toyota and BMW basically partnered up to build the car.
Alrighty. Well, we'll take up any more time. It's a really nice car.
Oh,
so
thank you, man.
okay?
Thank you.
Have
a good one. I told you, he just wanted to see the car. Very nice, man. But we are going to continue on to Monterey, California. The fact that I got pulled over does not make sense because I have the New York State in-transit permit. Expiration is August 30th, 2019. So the Nevada Highway Patrol officer saw that, but still pulled me over. I don't really blame him. I'm actually not upset whatsoever because I get it. It was probably the first Supra in the state of Nevada. So yeah, what do you guys think in the comments below? Did he pull me over just to see the car? Was there actually a reason? Also, we have a Lotus for the day. I was headed that way, but we're now headed this way because, well, you'll see. We have the Chevy Equinox, we have the Ford GT, and we have the Toyota Corolla and the Dodge Grand Caravan. Okay, I'm just kidding. We gotta reverse. Brand new Ford GT. This is Monterey Car Week in a nutshell. Chevy Equinox, Ford GT, Toyota Corolla. This thing is so sick. I love this spec. So we are just doing some general car spotting with the Ford GT. This color is sick. Yeah, let's roll. Never doubt, full send. Just the randomness of Car Week. Look at that 488 Pista Spider. That color is insane. Lamborghini Centenario and Performante. I'm supposed to return the Avor in like 5 minutes, and it's like 10 miles that way, and this car is cool, but check this out. I wish every single one of you guys could be here to see this color in person. It looks so good. This car has so much presence. 1 of 20 Lamborghini Centenario. I truly do actually have to get the Lotus back, but this is what I love about Car Week, like a Centenario and a Performante just here at a random Starbucks all the way from Hawaii. We're back at the Lotus house, back to the Supra. This is a cool car. Toyota, manual transmission, do it. Lotus Evora GT, 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds, over 400 horsepower, and the 6-speed manual transmission. Toyota, BMW, why did you not offer a manual transmission on the Supra? That would be an absolute game changer. Apparently there's a shop out of Texas that is offering the manual conversion swap on the Supra, $12,000. What do you guys think? Should I do that? Yes or no? Let me know in the comments below. Evora GT, we are back to the Supra and we're headed that way. Each and every day, I try my best to hook you up. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. If you guys ever get the opportunity to come to the Central California coast, do it. It is so beautiful. And having a Lamborghini Centenario, that makes it a little bit better as well, but it's still pretty sick without it. This color looks so good. It is a beautiful day in the beautiful state of California with the Centenario. We got the Supra in hot pursuit of the Centenario. Oh, there's nothing like the pops on a Lamborghini Centenario. That was the best ever. Out of nowhere, look who just showed up! A British mate!
How you doing?
What's up, dude? This car looks so good.
Thank you very much.
Well, why you gotta flex on me like this? Oh, dude.
We're doing the flex. We're doing the flex.
Oh, whoa. Here we go. Dude, that is so sick. Welcome to America.
Thank you very much.
How's it been?
A couple of weeks in, can't complain.
Yeah, dude, you're here for what, 4 months?
Something like that.
4-month road trip in a Ford GT in America. That is sick.
It's not really a road trip though, because there's no space. There's no trunk.
True, yeah. How do you store anything?
You just have a second car.
Oh.
You have a transporter. Well, you cheat.
Wow,
You have to cheat.
talk about flexing hard. You got a second car. If you're hiring for that position, let me know. I'd do that in a heartbeat.
Well, Supra could do that well.
True. Dude, I'll just follow you around. That'd actually be
like a plan.
sick, because I drive this car. I got 5,000 miles on my Supra. Already, yeah.
5K, wow.
I drove from New York to California.
I know all of that, but last I heard it was like 3K, and
Yeah,
5K
just keep
is like another
racking up.
2,000 miles. You just like
I know.
thrown on the car
Oh,
somehow.
Utah's a long
Yeah.
ways that way. The hypercars just show up
Yeah, I
when
don't
he's
need to
around.
go anywhere.
This is sick. We're just gonna hang out here all day long.
Stop. Perfect.
Subaru, that's Subaru. Are you kidding me? That stupid Subaru. That Subaru just ruined my video. That was a blue Cephas SVJ. And you guys remember when Shmee150 was saying he has a luggage car? That wasn't a joke. He has a Bentley as a luggage car for his Ford GT.
Brand new Continental GT V8 convertible.
Man, look at that. All right, I
Stunning.
gotta get a luggage car. Wait, does this mean I lost my job? Because I was gonna do that with the Supra. I just got fired by Shmee150. That's the title thumbnail.
One day, I'm sorry.
Welcome to the Shmee150 Motorworks revival. He just made a couple phone calls. We got a car show. We didn't even have to go anywhere. This is so convenient. We got the P1, the Ford GT, the Centenario, the Performante, and the Senna, and we have the Supra. So yeah, we're just trying to blend in. Hopefully nobody kicks us out because this is really the spot. This is the moment. We got a spot for you. There's a spot next to the Senna. Come back. Tim just called his buddy with a GT3 RS. He's like, dude, we could use a little bit of German engineering. Wait, no, the Supra is German engineering. We're good. Yeah, we don't need you. See ya. We're gonna hop in the Supra with Tim. I'm gonna drive, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna ride in the Ford GT. So, yeah, let's roll. Let's roll. Well, hello. We definitely did not pull an illegal U-turn, and we are definitely not in the way. My bad. We're getting the hookup. We're gonna get 1 rev. So enjoy this moment because it's only 1. Okay, that was awesome. Thank you so much. In Shmee150 fashion, we have the Reventon now next to the Centenario. 1 of 20. How sick is this? This is insane. We are following the Reventon with the Centenario in hot pursuit. We're with Tim Shmee 150. Boys, we are moving on up. Tim got to ride in the Supra and I get to ride in his Ford GT. We definitely won that equation, that's for sure. Whoa, this is sick. This is the Bumble profile shot right here. We got the Centenario and the Reventon right there. This is money. Whoa, whoa. That is what? Are you kidding me? Monterey Car Week. This is insane. Leave without me if you have to, okay? Check this out, boys. We got the Centenario right there, and we got the Reventon right there. This is the sickest view that has ever been seen on the channel. Whoa! All right, before we get in trouble, we gotta go. Yes. Hello. Flexing, flexing, flexing. Dude, are you kidding me? Tim, why do you keep having to show off like, look at that smokes, whoa. What? That is so sick. Again. Man. It's such an epic party trick. I mean, it has a functional like benefit as well. It's like if you want to stop everybody and make everybody like go, what? You just do. That is so cool. I applied for a Ford GT and I got rejected. If there's any Ford execs watching today's video and you change your mind, just like a simple phone call. That's it, that's it. Can we get a take two? Take two. Okay, that was a nice take two. That was a good take two. David, it is so good to see you.
So good to
I haven't seen you in forever.
I know. It's
the car looks so good. I've been seeing squadron courses all around the country, but I never see yours. It looks so good, dude.
Thanks, James.
Man, you need to park up. I need to give you a hug. Okay, all right.
I'll stop blocking all the traffic here.
This is the craziest day ever. Dude, that sounds so good. There's nothing like a V12 Zonda. I don't know where everybody is here. Tim, get out of the shot.
Sorry,
I've filmed with you all day. What's up,
going
Parker?
on, man?
How's it going? Dude, this car looks better and better. You got the 1016 hood.
I got the 1016 hood.
And the carbon roof scoop. Are you kidding me?
And it's purple. I'm basically a Stradman.
It looks so good, dude. You gotta get out. I gotta give you a hug.
All right, I'm so down. It's been way too long.
I know.
Good to see you guys.
I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow?
See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
I was talking to your
Tomorrow.
audience.
My audience?
Guys.
Oh, tomorrow.
More fist bumps. Let's go.
All right, see you guys. I just like the sound effect. It's awesome. The sound effect is awesome. Get that sound effect. Get that sound effect. Absolutely epic day. Day one, Monterey Car Week. We've got Damon in the Manual Mercy. We've got Tim in the Ford GT. The Centenario is bouncing. We got the Huracan Performante.
They called the cops on you.
On me?
They called the cops on you.
Oh, bro, we gotta go. We gotta go. Okay, so today's video is not effectively over. It might end at a state prison. More to come. Oh, of course, the door. Lambo owners. I hate Oh, I know you. So Tim is gonna take the Supra home, and I'm actually gonna take the Ford GT, right?
Oh, is that what we're
That's
doing?
the deal we worked out. I'm pretty sure that's what happened.
Oh, we'll think about it. Should we flip a coin?
Yeah,
No.
dude, I'm willing for 50-50 odds. Are you kidding me? We're gonna flip a coin in 3, 2, 1. If you could have Dave's Squadron Course, Shmee's Ford GT, or Parker's 600 LT, let me know. I think, oh man, I'm a Lambo guy, but it's got a roof scoop, but it's a Ford GT. In the comments below.
Soon, TheStradman.
See you tomorrow, Parker. Car looks sick. Guys, go subscribe to Parker. I was trying to give you a shout out and Dave just ruined it. Link in the description below. Woo! Cool, see you tomorrow, dude.
See ya.
And last but certainly not least, we have the Ford GT from Shmee 150. Guys, go check out his channel. Link in the description below. You're doing a crazy US road trip. You're going everywhere for the next, like, what, 3 months?
There's a bit more to go. This car's seeing the whole country. Done New York, done Miami.
Utah, when are you coming to Utah? Are you coming to Utah?
We're gonna talk.
I don't think he's coming to Utah. The Utah fam needs to see you in the Ford GT. Okay, we're gonna talk about it. More to come on that.
Space.
Yes, watch my space. Tim is going to be visiting me in Utah soon. We need to talk. But yeah, Tim, awesome to see you again. Beautiful car. Link in the description below. Go subscribe to Shmee 150, the OG of the OGs of the OGs. Yeah, have a safe night, dude.
Thank you for the Supra drive.
Oh, dude, you're welcome.
Time with that. Appreciate it big time. Awesome.
For sure.
So cool. Exciting. Very exciting.
See you, dude. We made it back here to the Airbnb. Monterey Car Week. Day number 1 is effectively over. We still got 2 more days of this. It is absolute chaos. I wish there was a way for me to describe the magnitude of Car Week. Like, there are supercars and hypercars everywhere. I missed so many cars that I could not capture. For example, just driving here tonight, I saw 2 Ferrari F50s going the opposite way. So anyways, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.